I've been thinking about the next project inside the miniature cabinet. No real plan yet. Just exploring. The way you do when you're not quite sure what you're looking for. But you know you'll recognize it when it shows up. Honestly, I don't know if I'm building something new or giving something old another chance. But that's how it starts, isn't it? You try things and see how it feels. Like a puzzle where there's no real answer, just the one you land on. And then, somewhere in that, a memory starts to show up. Just a shape at first. A long, narrow room. Very much like this one. A small apartment I lived in once. An efficiency? Maybe it was a studio. One of those places you end up in for a little while, and you don't think too much about it. It wasn't anything special. Just temporary. A place to be until the next thing. There was something there. Some version of that space that could have become something warm. A small contained world. But life really didn't leave room for that. So it stayed as it was. Just a place I passed through. I wasn't thinking about the apartment at all. I was just playing with ideas inside the cabinet, trying combinations, and the memory of it came back. You know that feeling. You've been in a room like this before. Not the same room, but the same feeling of a room. It's that kind of space. One where you don't have to figure it out right away. You can just move things around. Try something, change your mind, put it back, try again. Nothing feels final. Maybe that's why the old apartment stayed with me in some way. Some spaces make you decide what they are right away. They're defined before you even walk in. And you just exist inside whatever they already are. That one didn't do that. And this one doesn't either. That's the difference. Now I can change my mind. I can try the thing I didn't try then. I can take my time with it. So this doesn't feel like recreating the past. It feels like finally getting to try something I didn't try back then. Like picking up a thread that was just left there and seeing where it goes this time. Maybe that's what memory does sometimes. Not to take us back, but to show us something we didn't quite get to finish. And when something feels familiar like this, we move through it differently. Not to look for answers, just seeing the possibilities. Just following the thread.